My name is Art Domantay, and I make other people's artwork. Hello, Art Domantay. I came into New York as an artist, and I had a commission by Public Art Fund, and then Public Art Fund discovered that I also fabricate artworks and install artwork. So it was something that I did a few things on, and it turned out to be a full-time work. I first worked with Cadogan Tate with the Kara Walker project, and I think in the 2014, and so that was a huge project, and they were really amazing to work with. The Central Park project with Creative Time, I remember there was that boat that came in. We came from Europe, and I remember coming into the warehouse. It was filled with water, and that whole hull was frozen. And I think that no other crane company would ever have a leaking boat in their warehouse. But you guys rolled with the punches. All these commission projects, they're funded, but not really funded really well. We're always trying to scrape by and trying to figure out what we can do with very little resource, very little money. And I think what is great about Cadogan Tate is that you guys understood that. You guys respected the work and did the absolute best in creating a safe packing for the sculpture. If you don't work with the right people, your shipment likely will get stuck. So that's why I need people like Cadogan Tate to help me get my sculpture that I fabricated and work really hard at get it to these places. I don't exactly know what kind of projects we're going to get even a year from now or 2 years from now, but I can guarantee you it'll be unusual, it'll be big, and it'll be exciting. Great companies I will always remember.